India was importing PPE kits when coronavirus pandemic suddenly blew up. There were only 52,000 PPE kits that were imported. Others were coming in, but doctors said they were substandard. That's the time the Ministry of Textile, the Ministry of Health, even the Ministry of Defense and Civil Aviation, they got together with the private sector, fabric makers, garment makers, fashion designers, and 2 months later, we are the world's second largest PPE manufacturers, and not only are we making 2 lakh PPEs per day in our country, the good news is the moment domestic demands are met, India could well be exporting world standard PPEs and helping the world much more.
In February 2020, the world was scrambling for personal protection equipment amid the pandemic. India, which didn't manufacture the safety suits, placed global orders. But the global spike in cases meant steep prices and drying supplies. As medical staff faced an infection threat, India took a resolve to be self-sufficient in personal protection equipment. It all started in a meeting chaired by Textiles Minister Smriti Irani, brainstorming with top garment manufacturers. Tapping India's textile behemoths like Indian Technical Textile Association, 3M, Arvind Mills, Welspun, Dow DuPont, Honeywell and smaller entities. The Defence Ministry was tasked with quality approval via rigorous tests by 2 existing DRDO laboratories and 8 new ones. India soon achieved the mega feat of building the world's first reusable PPE suit. The country now hopes to become the leading exporter of the suits that protect coronavirus warriors. A story of opportunity in adversity.
We had been working on the development of a CBRN suit for the Indian Armed Forces, and this inspired us to develop the JCT Rakshak Pro 019 PP Hazmat suit, India's first indigenous personal protection hazmat suit for frontline medical workers in the fight against COVID-19. We are very grateful to the Government of India, Ministry of Textiles, Ministry of Health, and the Government of Punjab State for all the support.
The Government of India was preparing for COVID-19. Our Honorable Textile Minister, Srimati Smriti Irani, and Secretary Textiles approached us to prepare for PPE production in Shahi factories, which is also known as hazmat suits. Since we already had the expertise of working with our customers and the required machines, we could quickly start production after the due diligence process.
Several other manufacturers are waiting for government approval.
जब हमें पता लगा कि भारत सरकार को पीपीई किट की रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो हमने ये किट बनाने की सोची। हमने गवर्नमेंट से अप्रैल के अंदर परमिशन के लिए अप्लाई किया और हमें गवर्नमेंट से इसको बनाने के लिए परमिशन मिल गई। 20 अप्रैल से हमने अपनी प्रोडक्शन शुरू की।
India now makes over 1.7 lakh PPE kits a day and is scaling it to over 2 lakh. Over 18 lakh indigenous kits are already distributed to medics and 1.4 crore more are on the way.
We have been using PPEs from Chinese previously, but we have moved on completely to indigenous PPEs. The process is pretty simple. We ensure that we test the PPEs before we take them into picture. And the most important test that we do is impermeability. And what we have found that the indigenously produced, these kits are really very good and perhaps in many cases even superior to what we have from the Chinese.
The turnaround in less than 2 months saw India becoming the world's second largest builder of kits, which keep our healthcare workers safe. In the meantime, the Indian PPE industry has roared from zero to be a 7,000 crore one.
From zero to manufacturing and supplying almost 200,000 personal protection equipment or PPE kits every day to hospitals and healthcare workers is truly a Make in India miracle, where the Ministry of Textile, the Ministry of Defense, the Ministry of Civil Aviation and private manufacturers and garment industry came together to keep India first and frontline corona warriors safe from infection. After domestic supplies are met, the aim now is to export world-class PPEs to make India truly a global player in the PPE market.